when you have one point of presence or just one shop, it's easy to have, but have some control on. You're trying the 15, 20, 50 points of presence or where you do business. You can be a restaurant, you can be a gym, you can be a school, you can be a car dealership. You can lose control on all of these processes and all of these tasks that need to be done on time and with evidence that it was done on time. So this is the most normal customer trying to find out how they can solve this issue without having to, to uh, change all the operational things internally, so they can accustom to a software that tells them to do it their way.